Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to hide and show information fields contained within the interactive pop-up windows on your map. Hiding fields is a great way to reduce the number of information fields that could unnecessarily clutter your project, allowing users to focus on your featured data fields. Or you may have an instance where one of your featured layers contains non-disclosure information, such as individual names, that you don't want publicly available. The ability to hide fields allows you to keep this information away from public view while still being able to preserve that information without having to delete it from your map. The Hide and Show Fields feature acts as a way to declutter, simplify, and protect the data featured on your map while providing the audience and user with key information needed to understand your project. Now, let's get started. Make sure you are logged in and then click the map at the top of your screen to start a new map. You can use this feature with public data, such as ArcGIS Online's Living Atlas or data you collected and imported. To show you how you can select data to work with from their public data repository, ArcGIS Online's Living Atlas, click Add, which is located above the Table of Contents pane and located on the left side of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select and click the second option, Browse Living Atlas Layers. The data is shown in the same area as the table of contents and is available for public use. However, if you want to use the data that you already have, navigate to Search for Layers using the Add button. Instead of using the Living Atlas, we will use roads from the hosted feature layer. If you don't have this data or you are unsure of how to download data from an external source, be sure to check our video titled Importing Data from an External Source. Once you upload your data as a hosted feature layer, you can always find it under Search for Layers. To add roads or data from the Browse Living Atlas Layers feature into your map, click the plus sign located at the bottom right corner of the box and select Roads. This will automatically add the roads data into your map. If you would like, you can zoom into the location of the data using your mouse's scroll wheel. Now that you have added data to your map, let's learn how to hide information fields. Click the arrow to return you to the Table of Contents pane. Click Content, hover your mouse over the layer that you added and click the second option, which looks like a data table. Clicking on this will open a data table on the bottom of your screen in the map. To hide any field, click the black button with a plus sign on the right side of your screen and within your table. It will show all the fields that are available with the data. Clicking all columns will hide or show all the data that you have available to you. However, if you want to only show a specific set of fields, you must manually click a box for that field. A field will show as long as there is a blue box with a check mark. In this example, shape, length, and FID are already hidden from the data table. You might say to yourself that you would only like to inform your audience about the road names. So in this case, click all columns twice to fully hide everything from the data. Then, click the box next to Full Name to show only that field. Your ArcGIS map will now automatically hide everything else but the name of each row within the United States. Your viewer will see these changes. However, they can still see all the information in your interactive pop-up. So make sure you click the More Options button, then click Configure Pop-ups on the left-hand side of your screen. Click Configure Attributes, then double-click Display on the gray bar to hide all the fields. Then, manually check the fields that you want to show. Once you're done, click the blue OK button at the bottom of the menu. Then, click the blue OK at the bottom of your left screen. You will then see the changes reflected on your interactive pop-up. And that's it. Now you know how to hide or show your fields. Be sure to check out our other videos.